All right, on to taking apart the baritone. So again, we have mutes on here. It looks like there's 2 pieces of fabric on this one, so we can just pull those out, fold them up nicely. All right, so taking apart the baritone, there were mutes in here, so I already just pulled them out. You just pull them out like you do with the small instruments. This is definitely a 3-person job at the beginning because things are heavy and cumbersome, and I think the baritone's more challenging than the bass. So I have 1 person on the low end, 1 person on the high end, and then I'm gonna grab the resonators. The low end of the resonators basically touches the ground, so I can't pull the resonators out without lifting the baritone up. So Jake on the low end is in charge of lifting the baritone up, so he's gonna do that. I'm gonna grab down here, and Scott's making sure that the low end doesn't fall out because it's just in that peg. So he's just making sure the low end doesn't fall, or sorry, the high end doesn't fall. I'm grabbing the resonators right now, and I'm gonna pull it out of the candy cane side. So I'm pulling it up and towards myself until it comes loose. And then I can just pull this side out, and Scott's making sure that doesn't fall. And then I can just pull the resonators out from under the baritone. All right, so putting the baritone resonators back in is a 2 to 3 person job. So since the resonators are so long, the low end needs to be lifted up in order for us to get the resonator in, because the resonator is like a millimeter off the ground. So I can't clear it in unless we lift up that side. So Jake's gonna lift up that side, and I'm going to put the resonators underneath the baritone. All right, and once I'm underneath, I have someone on the high end kind of helping getting into that peg while I'm holding the resonators back here.
I've got it lined up. There we go.
Okay. All right, so once we're in now, Scott's going to hold that side so it doesn't come out, and Jake's going to help me guide this in.
Yeah.
Am I up high enough? Into the candy cane. Yeah. And then Jake's gonna make sure our legs come all the way out. And you can let go, Scott. And we'll make sure these legs come out also. So 1 person holding the resonators, 1 person on the high end, making sure that that peg goes in, and then 1 person on the low end helping guide the resonators into the candy cane. Baritone resonators, check. Okay, so we have these black things that we call cakes, and we put them underneath the legs of the low end to help raise the baritone up a little bit, so that way the resonator isn't totally on the ground. So when we put these in, again, kind of a 2-person job. Jake's gonna lift by the legs so the legs don't move, and I'm just gonna place the cake underneath, do that to both sides, and then he can just bring that down into those cakes. There we go.